Hey friends, if you wish to create a laptop battery full charge notification on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script and then search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and open Notepad. Paste the script here. Click on File, click on Save As, change the Save As type to All Files. Name it whatever you want to, like I will name it Full Battery, but the last spelling should be okay, Full Battery Notification dot VBS. The last three letters should be VBS. It should be dot VBS. That's the extension. And then save it on the desktop or anywhere you find it good enough. And then go to the location and click on this VBS file here. Just double click on it and it will create the full battery notification for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.